Last week I came out here on a rainy day and I showed you guys a comparison test between my mini excavator 1 ton and my little mini excavator 1.8 ton. And I'm about to pull out the Yanmar 1.8. To all you people that said this machine can lift this log, I'm gonna see if you're right. Okay, you guys are right. It's heavy, but I guess it moved it, right? All right, let's try it again. Let's see if it's operator skill or machine. Probably lack of skill. Okay, you guys are right. It can pick it up. That's a heavy booger right there. It was lack of operator skill. It was not lack of machine's ability. So there you go. Proof. It's just me. It's not you, little XH20D. I think it's gonna fall. Yep, it'll do it. I think it's time to do a happy dance.